Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping the display. Set the monitor to its native resolution and correct refresh rate, then let it warm up for about 30 minutes so colors stabilize. Once done, disable dynamic contrast, eco, and ambient light features because they shift brightness and saturation unpredictably. You'll also close heavy apps and dim room lights to see real output. These steps create a controlled baseline. Make sure to note current presets so you can revert if needed before moving into detailed adjustments. Now you tackle color balance and midtones. Open the monitor OSD and lower brightness until blacks look deep but not crushed, then raise contrast to give punch without clipping highlights. Next, adjust RGB gain toward neutral white, aim for 6500K, and set gamma to 2. 2 because that standard yields natural contrast. Use test patterns or a 50% gray image to judge midtones when skin tones and grays look neutral. You're making the display more vibrant without oversaturating. Move slowly and can finish by applying a calibration profile. Use a colorimeter if available or built-in OS calibration tools to create an ICC profile that locks your adjustments. Once applied, you can fine-tune saturation or vibrance sparingly to get a lively image. Too much causes clipping or unnatural tones. Make sure to test with photos, video, and web content. If colors look wrong later, revert to saved presets, update GPU drivers, or recalibrate. Those 3 fixes resolve most persistent color shifts and banding issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.